right, 2-minute tip, Mike. Let's do it.
If you're struggling working on your thing, are you just trying to hold it in your bare hand and grind on it? If so, don't do that. One of the very basic things you can mess up is not having a solid way to clamp down your workpiece to work on it. So I would suggest like figuring out a good way to like hold the thing you're working on steady, because that was one of the things that messed me up when I started working. Is I'd be trying to hold little tiny pieces with my hand and grind them, and they'd be getting too hot and stuff. So figure out a way to clamp things steady, because if you're struggling with that kind of stuff, like the results are just going to be garbage. So clamp things down properly.
Awesome. Thanks, man.
Yeah.